Music Festival. Zayas, this one's for you.
Let's go, Lot!
Charlotte, I miss you!
Hi, Charlotte!
Alexa! Go, Alexa!
Five, six, seven, eight. Kaya is here. Kaya one, we are Kaya! Ayan, gusto lang po namin batiin ang lahat na Happy International Women's Day! Ayun po, gusto niya kami na makita kayong lahat.
Charlotte!
Women of the world.
Charlotte, na-miss kita!
It's a very special day for us, sisters, mothers, teachers, and all the women who paved the way for us today. We are truly the light and foundation of our society.
Yes, and syempre, a big shout out din sa mga kababaihan in the music industry, from the production team, songwriters, producers, and sa mga kababaihan po. Yes, to serve as a huge inspiration to all of us every single day. At talagang pinapalalayan ninyo na walang limitasyon ang galing ng kababaihan, pagiging haligi sa larangan ng musika at sining.
This day is also a reminder of the spirit of sisterhood in the Sinan region, especially sa mga initiatives po natin that ensures gender equality and empowerment.
Women's Month reminds that empowerment, respect, and equality should not only be celebrated today, but practiced every day and everywhere. Ayan, syempre, speaking of as ASEAN, gusto ko namin kayo imbitahan this coming April sa ASEAN Korea Music Festival.
And of course, let's continue to lift each other up because when one woman rises, we all do. And of course, ito-take po namin ang opportunity na follow sa mga social media accounts po namin, i-search lang po ang Kaya Official page. You can listen to our songs on all music and streaming platforms.